Two deluxe lines of beautiful big new cars. The Deluxe Ford with breathtaking new beauty, greater roominess, and an impressive array of new features. The Super Deluxe Ford, sparkling with new beauty, bright colors, modern as the moment, and studded with features that the motoring public wants. Entirely new bodies, big inside and out. The biggest Ford cars ever built. Greatly increased vision, greater glass area. Famous V8 performance, geared for livelier acceleration. With a new boulevard ride, soft, easy, comfortable, luxurious beyond all expectations. There you are, two new deluxe lines of Ford cars for 1941, brimming over with sales appeal. Built on a new longer wheelbase of 114 inches, the new Ford Deluxe and Super Deluxe cars for 1941 are big in every dimension. They're brand new, every steel inch of them. Doors are wider and deeper. On the two doors, they're more than 3½ feet wide. New multi-unit front fenders stamped in 3 separate pieces. Running boards have been streamlined in keeping with the modern styling. Look at the width of that front seat. More than 4½ feet across, ½ foot wider than any previous Ford car. Here's another new feature. Look at the increased headroom in the front compartment, and more leg room too. Passengers can really stretch out, comfortable and relaxed. Greater safety is given by this big new windshield with its narrow corner posts. It is more than 4 feet across and has a total area of more than 850 square inches. Door windows wider and deeper. A 22% increase in glass area, nearly 4 square feet. And a big brand new tempered glass rear window curved to the contour of the rear deck. Luxurious new fittings and appointments distinguish these big new Ford cars. Interiors fairly sparkle with color and style. The Super Deluxe steering wheel is beautifully wrought from plastic. Chalfont gray rim and Mojave tan spokes with a bright chrome horn ring. Fuel gauge, oil pressure gauge, speedometer, water temperature indicator, and ammeter form a unit in this attractively designed panel to the left, while beneath them are the controls, newly grouped for greater convenience. The radio speaker grille in the center is finished in gleaming bright chrome. To the right is the spacious glove compartment. Super Deluxe cars have a clock in the plastic panel above it. Another new 1941 feature is the remote control hood lock. The hood can now be unlocked only from the interior of the car. Greater protection, greater safety. The ignition lock of all 1941 Ford cars is now lighted at night for greater convenience. Another new feature of the Super Deluxe Ford cars is the crank regulator on the ventilating window for accurate control of air circulation. A choice of 2 fine, ultra-modern, long-wearing upholstery materials in the Super Deluxe. Sand taupe chevron pattern mohair or a combination Bedford cord and broadcloth. The Deluxe offers a choice of gray taupe, pattern mohair, or striped broadcloth. A new standard in seat comfort. Luxurious softness in the seat cushions is obtained by the use of a thick layer of rubberized hair between the springs and the upholstery on Super Deluxe cars, and on the Deluxe cars, rubberized fiber is used. Comfort is further increased by making the front seat higher and changing the angle of the seat back.